than that, lately I got a 3D printer, stepped into that realm. It has been a challenge. Yeah.
Do you have
Spent too much.
what you printed?
Yeah, I have some of it. So this is like little baby Grogu.
Oh, when'd you do that one?
Yeah, a couple days ago. That one. He has a bong in his hand. And then there's bats.
Ooh,
And
that's nice.
then Hello Kitty. Okay. She was around here. I don't know where she went, but there's like a little small miniature
I don't know
Hello
what she
Kitty.
went.
But she's around here somewhere. There's a little small miniature Hello Kitty that I made so far. So that's some of the stuff I
Nice.
made.